15 Nurseries with DIY Sharpie Walls. This gorgeous chevron accent wall, created by Becky, the multi-talented mom and blogger behind Preparing for Peanuts, took just a few hours to make. This eye-catching Sharpie paint pen accent wall, created by Michelle Hinckley of 4 Men 1 Lady, brings a playful touch to this tween boy's bedroom, and can easily be painted over as he matures. The brightly hued geometric wonder wall in this fun modern teen room featured on Celebitch could not be cooler. The eye-catching colors and three-dimensional shapes seem to jump right out at you, bringing an energetic vibe to the space for the cost of a pack of Sharpies. Dreaming of a statement-making accent wall for your nursery or kids' room? Use a projector and a Sharpie to fill your little one's head with visions of furry nighttime friends by recreating this gorgeous constellation wall from the adventures of Mike, Casey, Riley and Scout. Whether he's a Matchbox maniac or a superhero in training, this adorable hand-drawn cityscape, like this one spotted on Handmade Charlotte, is the perfect way to fill a wall in your little boy's room. Simply draw your masterpiece in pencil and then trace over it with a paint pen in a color of your choice. Yet another nod to the geometric craze, this simple and chic triangle Sharpie wall spotted on DIY Passion is giving us a serious case of nursery envy. According to DIY goddess Erin Trafford, the project took just a couple of hours and only $8 to complete. This fun and funky Sharpie accent wall, hand-drawn by Alexis of Persia Lou, adds just a pop of pattern to a striking green space, complementing the room's bold style without overpowering the design. Sleep under the stars with this easy DIY Sharpie mural idea created by John and Sherry of Young House Love. This whimsical Sharpie wall mural, created by artist and soon-to-be mom Hilary Moore of The Quietest Noise, transforms a plain Jane corner into woodland wonderment. Have a little Picasso on your hands? You'll love this easy-to-recreate Sharpie wall idea spotted on Honestly WTF. Crushing on the tribal trend? This metallic gold Sharpie accent wall created by Rachel of DIY Show Off couldn't be more on point. Give your little adventurer the world with this easy Sharpie mural idea spotted on burlap and denim. An elegant tangle of birds and flowers hand-drawn with a Sharpie paint pen adds the perfect touch to this somewhat contemporary yet farmhouse-inspired space featured on You Create, offering a modern take on a traditional floral print. Want to get the farmhouse look for less? If you love shiplap walls but can't afford to install a wood-paneled accent wall, pick up a Sharpie instead. Gold, diagonal pinstripes, painted using a metallic Sharpie paint pen and set at different angles, give this simple all-white space from Cuckoo 4 design a sophisticated feel, while gold polka dot ceiling decals add a touch of unexpected whimsy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.